everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another weekly Aldi haul. So I go to the shop on a Friday and I'll get the majority of my food haul from one shop and then I'll get the remainder of the stuff from another shop. So this week I've been to Aldi and Tesco, so tomorrow's video or the next video on this channel should be part 2, which will be a Tesco haul. So as I've not had a proper food haul for a couple of weeks, it was hard to know what I wanted because I'm still eating junk food from Christmas. So I'm going to show you everything that I got. So I've always got the either Tesco or Aldi version, not Aldi, Asda version of these. They're about 180 and these were 149. They also had them in a red box and a yellow box. I'm thinking the yellow box is apricot and the red box is potentially strawberry. If it is strawberry and they've got them in, next time I go I'm going to get them because I love strawberries. So if these are as nice as the ones that I normally get, I'll get these. I've never seen these in there before, but then again, I've only recently started shopping at Aldi, so I don't know. There's 2 energy drinks. These are almost identical in taste to the Monster energy drink with the green M on. I prefer the Rustlers one, but it's not on offer in Tesco, so I got one of these from Aldi, and these were either 89 or 99p. The Tilda rice is on offer for 79p. This is my favourite rice, and basmati and quinoa. Normally I try to get it when it's on offer for £1, so it's even cheaper to get it from Aldi at the moment. And the Seeds of Change one is normally £2.50 and this was £1.50. If they've got any more of these when I go next, I'll get them. These will typically last me 2 meals as an accompaniment, so I do get a lot for the money. I picked up these lemon and chicken escalopes. I think they were £1.79 or something like that. I got this. This is for the person that I live with because generally I don't like microwave burgers. I don't mind these, but I don't like the burgers for some reason. I picked up these breaded cod nuggets. They were only £1.79. I got some outdoor bread, unsmoked back bacon rashers, another energy drink, a bottle of water. The Batiste is on offer for £1.49 and they have tropical and blush. There was hardly any tropical left and I couldn't get to it, otherwise I would have got tropical. So I've ended up with blush when typically if I had a choice I would pick tropical. I've run out of my Vanish powder and I was trying to find it on offer somewhere because I try to get things like that on offer if I can. And I spotted this and they had the colour version and they had the white version for whites, but because I've got a lot of stuff for whites, including Tesco's own version of this, I didn't need any white one. So, and you can use this with white anyway if you want. I always put like half a scoop in with every wash, even if there's no stains on it anyway. And this is a massive size. It is a kilogram. There was plenty of the white ones left, but hardly any of the colour ones left, and they're on offer on special buy for £2.39. So it's definitely worth a try at that price. Also on offer is the Carpet Fresh in Thai Orchid and Passion Fruit. It's £1.99 and again there was hardly any. There's a lot of cleaning products in at the moment, and the reason why I didn't buy any of them is because I either have them or I have the equivalent and my cupboards are full, and I keep buying more and more thanks to Mrs. Hinch, and I've had to cut down, even though yes I have bought 3 cleaning products and I'll show you one in a minute. So I got I think there's 4 in there. Chicken breast portions. There wasn't much choice, the shelves were pretty much empty, so the normal pack I get isn't this one, but it's all I could get. I got 2 packs of these pea snacks in sweet chilli, and the other cleaning product I got was this Power Force Actifoam multi-purpose cleaner in Ocean. I think they had a yellow one which I'm guessing is lemon, but I typically do like Ocean type scents. This was 75p. I have a lot of multi-purpose cleaners, but I wanted to try it, so I've got it. These are my favourite grapes, Sable grapes. I think they're £1.99, but I think all the grapes are £1.99. So I got them. I got this honey roast ham. This I picked up the second I saw it. It's a butter basted chicken breast joint. It doesn't serve 4. It's like two of them basically in size without removing the label. And it was £3.99, which I thought was a bargain. I got some kale, and this is something I've never seen before. They had a chicken one, I think, and this one. And it's an Italian meatball wrap. The calories aren't too bad either. You could have that for lunch with like a snack and you wouldn't be eating way too many calories. So I'm going to try that this weekend. I got a Savoy cabbage because I do like my dark leafy vegetables. These are for this evening. These are the most expensive chicken breasts that they do at Aldi. I think they're $3.49. So I picked up a pack of them. I got some Aberdeen Angus sliced diced beef, which is going to be separated into 2 different things and put in the freezer. So if one day I decide I want to have a stew or a casserole or use the slow cooker and I just want something for myself, there will be enough for one person. And then the final thing I got from Aldi is some British baby Maris pear potatoes. And that is everything I picked up from Aldi. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification, then you'll get an alert when I upload a similar video. The part 2 of this shopping will come as my next video, so if you want to find out what else I got to hopefully last me the week, although I will go to the shop a few times in the week to top up, then please stay tuned and I'll be back soon. Thank you for watching.